I am Snape, the potions master. Welcome to potions class.
Yay, potions! Hello, Snape. What are we going to learn today, Professor?
The beauty of the softly simmering cauldron with its shimmering fumes.
Oh, not this again.
The delicate power of liquids that creep through human veins.
Ew!
Bewitching the mind, ensnaring the senses.
Ew!
I can teach you how to bottle fame,
Don't need it.
brew glory,
Ooh la la!
even put a stopper in death.
No, you can't.
I can teach you the secrets of mystical fluids unknown.
Okay.
Enchanted juice, wizard liquids,
Wow!
the cool feminine curves of a potions flask,
Go on.
and the titillating scent of a fresh elixir.
Is this the whole class?
I can teach you how to pickle victory,
Pickle victory?
how to secrete success,
Oh my.
even score with hot babes.
Wait, what?
Class dismissed.
Wait, hang on. Hot babes?
Vamoose, Mr. Potter.
Teach me.
No, skedaddle.
Hello, Severus.
Hello, Headmaster.
I need to borrow some wizard liquids.
I'm fresh out, sir.
How about enchanted juice?
Nope.
What about expired gorilla milk?
That has no magical properties, sir.
Au contraire, Snape-a-doodle. It's done a wonder on me bowels.
Okay, whatever. This way.